press here. I got the black mouse, as you can see right here, and it just powered on. OS X line, of course. Mine is not the beta version, mine is the real version, of course. And here you go, it works perfectly fine. I can show you system preferences, and if you get those borders, black borders, and the screen is not full screen, you can go on system preferences over here and displays, and you can set it up with your screen size and stuff, of course. And you guys won't have this XN thing because this is not in the beta version. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you how to get the new version, but first yeah, beta first. Yes, so this is the new version. I'm gonna have the link for it. It's a torrent file, of course, but you can download it on a PC because Mac is gonna be a pretty slow one. So you can download it on your PC, and I'm just gonna show you how to share files first. As you can see, you go on your PC first. I'm on my PC, and you go on. First, you need to you go on start, right click my computer, properties. As you can see, I am running a 64-bit 8GB RAM, and it's a genuine window. So yeah, it's Windows 7 Home Premium. You go on remote settings, press yes, and you allow remote assistance connections to this computer. You cannot take remote assistance because this is a laptop and I'm on a Wi-Fi, so it won't work. But if you have a PC, you will have more options over here, right here, about don't allow to this and stuff. So you can go OK. This should be checked and OK. Now you can cross that. You go in control panel, user account, and manage another account. Yes. And you need to create a new account, calling it remote or whatever you guys want it to call, and it's supposed to be a standard user, not an administrator, of course, so that we can go and connect to it remotely. And you can keep a password. You should keep a password for it. And once you're done, you can just save it and cross it. Now you go into your, oh no, one more thing. You go start, CMD, you type in CMD, you go on this to find out your IP address, IPCONFIG, and it's IPCON, it's called IPconfig, and no space. So press enter, and you gotta kind of scroll up to the top, and that right over here, it's gonna say Ethernet adapter local area connection. It's supposed to say IPv4 address, and you need to copy that down or remember it. Okay, it's supposed to be mine is 192.168.1. It's supposed to be like that. So you go on that, go on this, you go on your virtual machine now. Once you have downloaded the real link, it's called Mac OS X line, the real link, I'll put that in the description. You download it through uTorrent. Now you can share it. So you go, and please remember to put that downloaded icon into downloads or documents so that we can share it through this. So you go and connect to server, and you need to type in SMB hyperlink / 192.168.1.103. That would be my IP address. Yours is gonna be different, of course. And you connect. It's gonna connect to it, and now it's gonna ask you to the username and the password of that account you just made. It cannot be the administrator account because it won't have privileges to go in there. So you fill in your, and I recommend having a password so that no one else can get in your system and only you. And connect. It's gonna connect to it, and it's gonna ask me what do I want to mount on this. I won't go on users unless you have the file in remote account, the standard user account. I have it in my administrator account. Sorry. So I'll go on users and OK. Now let it load, and you go on users, well, whatever your username is, and the administrator one, and keep it in downloads or documents. I recommend that. So I go on downloads, and there it is, my Mac OS X Lion 10.7.2. So that's beta file, that's the real file. So I can just drag it to desktop and copy it, but I've already copied it right here. So I'm just gonna cross this. I'm gonna open the Mac OS X Lion DMG file, open this Lion app, and close that too. Now there you go, you have Mac OS X Lion installation without paying anything. Go continue, agree over here, and install. And it's gonna ask you for your password. Well, the first time you boot Mac OS X Lion virtual machine, it's gonna ask you for a password, and the username is gonna be Mahmood. That's the guy who made us this link and provided us again. So all you gotta do is press enter, because there's no password for it, and then after that you need to put in password. I'll show you how to do that. You go on system preferences, and you go on it says system and users and groups. You go on that, you change your full name. Mine is administrator, I like it that way. And you change your password. The old password is not gonna be nothing. The new password, it can be anything. You want verify password hint and change it. Once you changed it, you go on install, and you're gonna fill in the password you have. That's okay. And I was gonna let you install it, so I'll be right back. Wait, I'm just gonna do this and let it install. So I'll be right back when it's done. Alright, my Mac OS X Lion has been installed. I'm just gonna show you. As you can see, it's been installed, and as you can see, I've got that XSAM. It was already installed. I reinstalled it just to show you to you guys. Now I'm gonna give you proof that it's a real Mac OS X Lion by going to the App Store. As you can see, there's a launchpad over here too, and when it goes to Mac OS X Lion, it says installed right there. As you can see, installed. It says installed because it's been installed, but I'm gonna show you that I go to my purchase list, and I did not buy that Mac OS X Lion, so it is real. So I have bought it. I didn't buy it. I have got it through that link. As you can see, Mac OS X Lion installed. So it is installed. So I hope you guys like Mac OS X Lion. If you like it, go buy it in the store. Mac. And one more thing I want to show you. When you get Mac OS X Lion, the scrolling, I'm going to show you. The scrolling is reversed. So if you go down, you go up, and if you go up, you go down. So we're gonna change that. You can change that by going to Apple system preferences, mouse, or trackpad. If you have a trackpad, you need to have a Mac for that, and this will be checked. So you just uncheck that and cross that, and now you go on App Store or anything you want, Safari, anything, and it's working. Oh wait, just a second, and it's working, and my Mac OS X Lion is installed. So this is not a scam, guys. This is really good. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of Mac so that the FaceTime works, perfectly works, and I kind of want to quit that because my camera won't work right now. Oh, alright, and preview iTunes. iTunes works perfectly. Just gonna kind of bouncy. The bouncing means that it's loading and it's booting up or starting. I don't know why it's taking that long. It's not supposed to take that long. Oh yes, I've just installed Mac OS X Lion, so I have to install iTunes on it. All I gotta do is press agree. It installs on its own, I think. Oh, it says a file iTunes cannot be read because it was created by the new version of iTunes. Would you like to download iTunes? No, I would not. I will do that later. Sorry about this, guys. I didn't know this one not gonna work. Sorry about that. And anything else you guys want to me to make a video, you can just ask me for it. And you can see the launch pad. That is at the next line. It looks like an iPhone. As you can see, just click it and drag it like that. It looks like an iPod Touch or iPhone. Just like that, yeah. And you can have as many apps you want. Just click it and go back on it. FaceTime works, Safari works, Mail works, everything works perfectly. I have no complaint about this. So if you like this video, please rate, comment, subscribe, and like, and press the thumbs up button at the corner of the video. If you have any comments, feel free to if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'll be happy to assist you. So, alright guys, thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys like it, and goodbye.